Week 4 Wrap-Up, April 27, 2018. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the fourth week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered one half of the class, or the equivalent of 2 months' worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I will also post them on the Blackboard calendar. Please take a look at the schedule right below. A few reminders are in order. Map quiz number 2 on Africa and the Middle East is due tonight, Friday, April 27th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 2 is due tomorrow, Saturday, April 28th by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 2, covering chapters 5 through 8, that became available Thursday, April 26th, is due Sunday, April 29th by 11:59 p.m. Make sure and follow directions for the reflections. Make sure they reflect the material covered in the textbook and in the lectures. Make references to that material to illustrate your assertion to score the maximum number of points. Also, follow the guidelines for submissions of your reflections. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules. Read the lecture slides. Listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Please remember to log in the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. Most of you are doing well with this, but there's a group of about 5 students who go on 5-6 days without logging. It looks like at least a couple of people are going to be dropped over the weekend if they don't log in the next day or so. Warnings have been sent to those students. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.